Hello, I am your host Suraj, and today the topic we are going to discuss is Indian journalism. Recently, we recently due to the coronavirus pandemic, we all have been locked up in our rooms, and there is no doubt that we spend the most time watching news channels to remain updated on various topics, what is really happening in the world, when will the vaccine come out, etc. We all have been witnessing the degradation of the news in our national television, especially Indian national news. It all started from the coronavirus pandemic updates to Sushant Singh's death, which slowly transformed into Bihar police versus Mumbai police, and then Kangana's building being demolished to Arnab's meme worthy Mujhe drugs de do, and many more. This has got people more involved in the issues with journalism. We started thinking, talking, debating about it, and the social media being infused into the whole scenario just led to the explosion of conversation in a dynamic fashion. So the question today is how the face of Indian journalism has changed over years, especially after 2014. The political consciousness has reawakened because of the more and more involvement of the youngsters in the closed bars of the politics. So without wasting time, let's start about the most important topic right now. The Arnab Goswami phenomena. In an interview, Amirandan Sekhri, a veteran in the field who is one of the chief editors in News Laundry, said that the relation between the journalism and the government the power should be adversary and should not be that of the alignment. That is the general rule of thumb. Speaking about the Editors Guild, he mentioned that it is as effective and as ineffective as any other body in India. He also went on to comment that Arnab's power, his financial might, etc., comes from his allegiance with the central government. Now let us look at it from another perspective. So Avijit Iyer Mitra, a defense analyst and a popular name in the right-wing intellectual circles, went on to say this about the incident. Show me a definition of journalism, an accepted definition of journalism that says that what Arnab does not constitute as journalism. If you can pass off CNN, NDTV, etc., because everybody today passes off opinions as news opinions. Nobody sticks to the rule anymore that the news opinions should not be delegated to the OP editorial page, not to the news pages. Now finally, my opinion on the whole issue. I believe that both parties are right, and it's quite subjective because it depends on what ideology do you support, because essentially both the institutions are completely flawed. In today's political scenario, it is as simple as this. Right wing is not at all bothered about our economy, and the left wing is not at all bothered about our Indic identity. I hope the young breed of journalists, which will lead to some kind of a change or revolution in the Indian media system. Thank you.